If you're even thinking about trying ActionGPT, this is the one video you need to see. Because I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you won't hear in the hype. And the last one could actually save you hours of frustration. Before we dive in, you can try ActionGPT completely free using the first link below. No credit card, no commitment. But trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'll show you one powerful use case most people are completely missing with this tool. So what is ActionGPT? It's one of the newest AI tools that just dropped, and it's laser focused on turning prompts into full-blown workflows, not just content. Think of it like ChatGPT, but wired into action, hence the name, ActionGPT. It doesn't just think, it does. First thing you'll notice, the interface is clean, but under the hood, it's packed with automation triggers, built-in templates, and plug-and-play actions for marketers, solopreneurs, and even agencies. You're not just generating text, you're launching emails, scheduling posts, creating funnels, and syncing with tools like Notion, Trello, and Google Sheets. It's got actual output that moves your business forward. Second, the prompt chaining is no joke. You can stack actions together like building blocks. For example, write a landing page, generate emails, and push them directly into your email software without leaving the platform. That used to take multiple tools. Now it's one. Third, this isn't limited to content. It connects to APIs and webhooks, meaning you can build automations with live data, update CRM entries, and even ping Slack when tasks complete. This kind of integration is rare for a tool this early in release. Now, is ActionGPT perfect? Not yet. It's early days, so you'll find the occasional bug or slow response when stacking too many custom tasks. But for a brand new AI software, it's far more stable than most I've tested. Fifth, and this is big, it has role-based workflows. So you can tell it to act as your marketing assistant or project manager, and it'll adapt prompts to that role. Combine that with its memory system, and it gets smarter the more you use it. Sixth, the customization. If you're someone who likes control, ActionGPT gives it to you. You can edit the chain of actions, tweak individual prompts, and even add conditional logic. This makes it ideal for digital marketers and power users who want to optimize, not just automate. And finally, what most people miss is how good ActionGPT is for testing offers and funnels. You can spin up a basic idea, generate everything from the copy to the follow-up sequence, and even A/B test variations, all in minutes. That's a massive time saver if you're running multiple campaigns. So yes, ActionGPT is one of the best just released AI software tools I've seen this year. It lives up to the hype by going beyond content and diving into real execution. You can try it completely free with the link in the description. And if you're into AI tools like this, I've also listed my most recommended AI softwares after testing thousands of them. Those are also free to try. Check those out after this video. You'll thank yourself later.